Hello everyone, welcome to StockSharp channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect StockSharp Terminal and MetaTrader Terminal using the StockSharp MetaTrader connector. This connector is not included with Terminal Designer or Hydra and needs to be installed separately. First, we need to find which MetaTrader connector. We have either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect with MetaTrader 5, but the process is the same for MetaTrader 4. We click on Continue, and the installer will automatically detect the destination where the MetaTrader connector should be installed. We click Continue and Execute, and now the installation process begins. We need to wait a little bit. After installation, we go back to the MetaTrader terminal and set up the connector. We should find Expert, right-click and select Refresh to see the connector. For some reason it didn't show us, so let's restart it again. Okay, after restart, we can see in MetaTrader our connector. It's called StockSharp.mt5. Then, we click Attach Chart. Select Allow DLL. Select Allow Trading. And click OK. The Windows Defender will warn us that we started our connector. We click Allow Access. And go to Tools, select Options. Then we check our Expert Advisors tab and click Allow Auto Trading and Allow DLL Imports. Click OK to finish the connector setup. Next, we go back to the StockSharp terminal, click Connection Settings, and find MT Market Data and MT Transactions. We select Demo on each adapter because our MetaTrader terminal is a demo version and no license is needed for this. We click Verify and click OK. Now we can connect it and add some candles, for example, Euro to US dollar in a 5-minute time frame. We click, and our terminal is working. We can also send some orders using the platform orders. We can see our orders and cancel them if needed. To see how the MetaTrader experts look inside, we can click Modify. It will open our script in the MQL language, where we can put our username and password to protect our terminal if we put our MetaTrader terminal on the server. In that case, when we connect from StockSharp, we should put in some login and password. But now, because our login and password are empty, we don't need to put them from the StockSharp terminal. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please write them below. See you again in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the StockSharp channel to make sure you don't miss any new video updates. Goodbye.